This video is to demonstrate the custom Gaylord box supply by IMC. It's intended for buyers that are looking for better, heavier duty type containers without increasing their current cost. A little bit about packaging. One of the first questions we often get asked is how these containers will arrive at their docks. The answer is we band these on a pallet so they can easily be loaded and stored as necessary. Depending upon the request of box height cut, there could be anywhere from 20 to 50 boxes on a pallet. These boxes are sold in bulk quantities, so they're best sold in truckload quantities due to the fact that we're trying to eliminate damage of on and off a truck during LTL carrying. There could be anywhere from 800 to 2,000 boxes, again depending upon the box height cut on a truck. These boxes have been used once. They were originally used to store plastic pellets for the injection mold industry. However, the boxes are in clean and good or excellent condition. A little bit about box wall thickness. The strength of a box is measured by how many walls the box has. Our boxes all have 4 walls as shown in this picture. These type containers are a heavier industrial type container that usually work well for heavy parts or parts that require extra internal protection. It's very common for suppliers to use 2 or 3 wall container boxes for their product. However, this does work in many cases until there's a shifting of the load, or the container is contacted by another object, or there's some type of stacking stability problem inside the box. For this reason, the 4 wall boxes work much better. Box sizes. Our standard box sizes are 40 by 48 inches, that's the footprint. That's also a standard pallet size, so there's no problem getting pallets for these boxes. The height of the box will depend on what you order. It could be anywhere from 6 inches tall to 50 inches tall, depending again on what your needs are. At your facility, these boxes are best secured to the pallet by a plastic head roofing nail. We found that works best for securing to the pallet, or you can just use a regular roofing nail, which works well also. There's 2 type bottoms that could be in the containers, as seen in the 2 right here. This is a full bottom box, and this is a partial bottom box that has approximately a 6-inch flap that nails down as compared to a full bottom flap. In both cases, we do supply a bottom that can be laid or would be laid inside the box to provide a complete coverage or enclosure of that bottom. Box lids, we do provide a custom fit lid for each container. We found that the best way to attach this lid to the container is to staple it with a Carlton stapler. Works really well. We also have used stretch wrap, and that does okay as well. Once the containers are filled at your shop, depending upon the weight that's in the containers and the stacking configuration of the parts, they can easily be stacked 2 to 3 high, as demonstrated in this particular view. These particular containers have 2,000 pounds each in them, and the particular stacking configuration is such that it comes to the top of the box. So once you set another pallet on top, the load is pressed upon the center of the pallet. It's distributed throughout the whole pallet, so stacking is very stable in this type condition. We'd like the chance to quote or provide additional information. To do this, please call this number 423-743-0641 and ask for Mark, and I'll be glad to communicate any additional information or provide a quote. Thank you.